I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the image and launching your editor. Open the highest resolution original and duplicate the layer so you keep a fallback. Once done, inspect the histogram and white balance because exposure shifts affect sharpening outcomes. Make a quick, conservative noise reduction pass. This reduces grain that will amplify when you sharpen. Now convert to a working color space and make a 1:1 zoom crop to evaluate fine detail. This is where you begin targeted corrections. Next, tackle detail recovery with methods suited to the blur. Use deconvolution or a dedicated shake reduction tool for motion blur, because they reverse optical smearing rather than just increasing contrast. Once deblurred, apply selective sharpening. Adjust radius and amount conservatively and raise threshold to avoid amplifying noise. Use a separate sharpen layer and paint a mask to confine effects to edges and textures. That way, skin and skies stay natural. Finally, view it finish by removing artifacts and harmonizing the image. Use local smoothing on halos, frequency separation for texture issues, or add subtle grain to unify processed areas. Then perform global tweaks, fine-tune exposure and contrast, and add modest clarity or texture to taste, because these mask minor inconsistencies. If you see ringing, over-sharpened halos, or amplified noise, revert to the duplicate layer, reduce sharpening parameters, or try a different deblur algorithm. That troubleshooting loop prevents degrading the original beyond repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.